Track 29, Connecting with Nature. Connecting with nature is a powerful way to reduce stress and improve overall health. Spending time outdoors, whether in a park, forest, or garden, provides a sense of peace and tranquility. Nature offers fresh air, natural beauty, and the opportunity to disconnect from the pressures of daily life. Take time to enjoy the natural world by walking, hiking, or simply sitting outdoors. These activities promote physical exercise, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. Connecting with nature is a simple yet effective way to improve health and find balance. 1. Connecting. 2. Nature. 3. Powerful. 4. Reduce. 5. Stress. 6. Overall. 7. Outdoors. 8. Park. 9. Forest. 10. Garden. 11. Tranquility. 12. Air. 13. Disconnect. 14. Exercise. 15. Balance.